What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to teach you how to set up your SoloCast USB condenser microphone. This mic is perfect for any live streams, video conferences or classes, recording setups, and much more. So as you can see, it comes with the microphone itself, a shock mount to hold the microphone, a USB cable, a pop filter for the microphone, and a mic stand to hold your microphone on any desktop or table. So the first thing we can do is set up the mic stand by taking this long piece here and screwing it onto the base of the stand. Then we can attach the shock mount by twisting it onto the stand. Once we have it on the stand, you'll notice this knob here on the side that we can use to adjust its angle. So now we can use these clamps here in front to open the mount up and slip in our microphone. So now we can attach the pop filter by just pushing it onto the mic. This will help with any plosive sounds coming from our voice like our P's, T's, K's, etc. And lastly, we can take the included USB cable, take the USB-B end and plug it into the microphone, and then we can take the USB-A end and plug it into any USB-A port on our computer or laptop. Let me get one right now to show you that setup. Alright, so here I have my laptop with my DAW open that I'm going to be using with my SoloCast. Like I mentioned before, I can take my USB-A end and plug it into any available USB port on my computer. Now whether you're using the microphone for recording or video chatting, you'll just want to be sure to go into the sound settings of your computer and switch the input device to SoloCast USB microphone. You can also do this in the sound settings of whatever DAW you're using. Now you can use this gain knob here on the front of the microphone to adjust the input level of your mic. So after I've done that, you can notice the level coming into my track right here. So all I have to do now is record enable our track and then hit record. Check 1, 2, this is Perry from Rockville testing out my SoloCast USB condenser microphone. So now on video conference apps like Zoom or Skype, you're just going to want to be sure to go into the sound settings and set the input device to SoloCast USB microphone. If you don't do this, the app won't recognize the microphone right away and it won't be able to pick up your voice through the microphone. So I hope this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your SoloCast USB condenser microphone. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always guys, I'm Perry from Rockville, and I'll see you next time.